On that day, every single soul is going to be defending itself. Not one person is going to say, hang on, before I defend myself, let me defend my son. Let me answer on behalf of my mother. No chance. Allah Almighty says it in a few places in the Quran. Ya ayyuhan nasu ttaqu rabbakum. O people, develop a consciousness of your Rabb, your Lord. وَاخْشَوْا يَوْمًا لَا يَجْزِي وَالِدٌ عَنْ وَلَدِهِ وَلَا مَوْلُودٌ هُوَ جَازٍ عَنْ وَالِدِهِ شَيْئًا إِنَّ وَعْدَ اللَّهِ حَقٌّ. O people, be conscious of that day. Be conscious of your Lord and the day that no parent shall avail his child, and no child shall be able to avail the parent or defend them or benefit them in whatever way. And Allah's promise is absolutely the truth. That's what Allah says.